Hey everybody, how you guys doing? What was it? Monday I had ordered it and it came today. Just got it right now already. Packaged it and you're not gonna believe who I got. It's Mobile Fighter Domonkashu's personal, well, basically the hero of the second half of the show, Burning Gundam. As you can see, it comes with this like this, so this nice. Come with this nice picture, real nice, as well as like that's the back side, and then this is what it looks like. It's kind of reminiscing. Well, whoops. It's kind of reminiscing of the GPO1 and Freedom when I got their master grade versions. King of Hearts 13. And some pretty cool illustrations. As well as these are the parts. And if you're wondering, like, why is it like that? Is because it brings screwdrivers. As you can see, more illustrations. Coriander. Arm units, yes. For the arm units, yes, you need screwdriver. It brings screws. And no, I'm not kidding. I never got this one before, but after looking through it, here he is with details, actions, and stuff like that. Here it is without armor. Some stuff. Coriander. Poses. As well as more illustrations and stuff. What it looks like when you're about to enter it. The beam saber, Domon. More building illustrations. Basically, the leg units. The waist unit. Like it's how to build the coriander. More illustrations. And the back of it. This is the first master grade. Not master grade. Master grade? Yeah, it's the first master grade type Gundam that I basically had to use. Basically, it's kind of weird because I never had to use screws for none of them. So it's kind of weird. And then, give me a moment. Remove this here. There we go. Just removing some stuff so that I can fit basically all parts that it brings in, because this is kind of nuts. Like, this is completely insane. And here we go. As you can see, Domon, more parts, more parts. These parts are like rubbery. I know, I got another one. Some stickers. Some decals that basically the head and all that. What you see there is one of the bags that that brings screws. I'm guessing this is that centerpiece. A second bag that brings screws. The joint parts. The beam. And, you know, the coriander parts. Most of it. I'm still looking for the part that goes inside the cockpit. Or the part that goes into the coriander. I forgot this one too. This is going to take me a while to figure out and build, because I never had a model, specifically a Gunpla, that needs well, you know, that needs screws. It's kind of weird. And then looking for all the head parts, which is basically the first thing I do, is look for head parts. I guess most of the head parts are here, and then somewhere else. I wouldn't even know. Like, dude, this is weird. Oh, here it is. Here's the... Wow. Let me get a little closer look. Guessing this goes in the coriander right here. So that's about it. That's basically all the pieces that will go into Burning Gundam or God Gundam. But before I go, let's take a bit of a closer look at the Domon figure that comes with it. Like, They got the head. That's the for the bandana. Okay, plug it in right there. That's the little stone thing. So, you know, it's kind of cool. So, there it is. The disassembled version of Burning Gundam. So I don't even know how to build. I don't even know where to start to building this. So I'll see you guys next time.